Hi YouTube, it's Andy again, and in this tutorial we're just going to update our main activity and our list view, or sorry, our recycler view views. So instead of displaying the URL, we're just going to have a picture that we created from our last tutorial. I've gone into the console and I've just updated all of our items here. I've added a photo URL. I've added ones actually from the websites from these actual places. So it's going to look a little bit nicer because in this one it's just this one's actually accessing our Firebase storage and showing you how that all works. So I just, to make it a little bit nicer, I've already added URLs for all the other ones except for this one. I couldn't find one for Escapetopia. That's okay. So in this tutorial, we're going to need to add two libraries. Well, one should have been added from the last one. We're going to keep our glide. We're going to use that for our recycler view. And then we're also going to need the card view, which is in the support library. So I've created a new layout for each item in our list. And it's going to have a card view. I can actually probably just change this to a frame layout. There's no real reason to have a linear layout. In fact, let me do that now. So I'll just do a... So provide slightly better performance because the frame layout is designed to have only one child. So linear layout has a little bit more code in it because it's designed to have everything stacked. So that's designed to have multiple children. So our frame layout has one child, which is a card view, which also has one child, which is, we're going to just do a quick linear layout here with a photo and then two text views. So it's going to be a very basic design, but it's going to look a lot nicer than what we had before. And then in our main activity, we're going to make some changes here. So we need to update our view holder. So we're going to get rid of the text view for the URL, and we're going to reference the image view instead. I've updated all the names and IDs here, as well as initialized the image view as down here as well. So then when we go back to our recycler view adapter, we have changed our layout here. So now we're referencing this new layout. We kept these two the same. So the model get name, model.get address, those are all going to be the same. But what we've changed now is, now we're going to use Glide library to actually load the photo from a URL into the view holder. So to do that, we just take Glide, and first parameter is going to be width, and that's going to be your context or our main activity. And then we're going to load, and this is just a string, but that's fine because in our escape room, get photo URL returns a string. Say a string right here. So this is all we do is say model.get photo URL, and then we're going to need to tell it where to load that photo, and that's going to be into the room photo inside the view holder. And just with that little bit of code, we get a much better result. So here's now what the app looks like. So I have these images for each of the places. So Think Escape Games, Master Escape, and QQuest all have these cool looking photos now that I copied the link from their websites and put them in our database. So it's a quick little update of what you can do with these. And to show you the performance, let's launch this app and show you how all this stuff just loads immediately with the Glide library. It's very, very good library for doing this type of work. I'm going to be pushing the update into GitHub right now, and by by the time the video is posted, you'll be able to download the updated code. All right, have a good day.